Hey there, welcome to the Credit Veteran Club. My name is Joe and I'm coming to you every single day to bring you credit information that will give you credit knowledge, because I believe everyone, and I mean everybody, deserves to be equipped with enough information to get them to a 781 credit score, if not more, because that's where life begins to take a new turn. No more excuses. When I started my credit journey to have an A+ credit score, I quickly learned that every person who had good credit had one thing in common. And what do you think it was? That they paid their bills on time every month? No. That they paid off all their debts? No. That they had no collections, charge-offs? No. That they had no inquiries? No. It wasn't what you'd think. It wasn't what you'd think it is. Okay, guys, you ready? Here it is. As simple as this seems, this is one thing every person told me about why they had a good credit score. They understood how the credit game works. That's it. They learned the rules of the game, and once they learned it, it was game over. It was bye-bye to bad credit. Now I want to share these tips, tricks, and techniques on how you can do it too. At the Credit Veteran Club, we walk you step by step, offering you free credit report analysis, coaching, weekly Zoom calls. Our staff follows with you and make sure that you are held accountable while sending your proprietary letters and getting your desired results in the shortest time possible. Some of our clients start getting results in as little as 60 days. Call us now and try. My number is 678-528-2569. You'll be glad you did. Kindly remember to notify by hitting the bell below to continue receiving our video clips as they come every time we post them. Also, like, share, subscribe if you have not subscribed. Remember, my goal is to guide and make sure you get your desired results. I promise I will not give up on you. Let's start the game.